Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the plastic carpet located in front of the driver's seat. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 4 screws on the battery cover. Then remove it. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a 10mm spanner, release the holding nut on the negative terminal. Remove it, then move it away to avoid any untimely reconnections which could damage the electrical network in your car. Then, using the same tools, remove the positive terminal on the battery. To take out the battery, you will have to unscrew the holding plate. Using a socket wrench, an extension, and a 13mm socket, fully unscrew the nut that fixes the metal holding plate. You can now remove the battery. Take this opportunity to clean the battery tray. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new battery. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place. Put the battery fastening plate in place, then finish off the tightening with a socket wrench. Then put the positive terminal back on to start with, tightening the screws with a 10mm spanner. Then put the negative terminal back in, ensuring you insert it fully before fixing it in place with a spanner. Replace the battery tray cover, then screw it back on. Replace the carpet. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.